Question 22a is given that square root of 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x, find the value of x. Okay, so what you need to do here now, we are going to rewrite this statement or this expression in the statement, which is square root of 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x, and then we ask to find the value of x. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to square all these numbers so that we have a whole number where we have a square root of 2. So we're going to square square root of 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of x squared. Okay, all right, once we have done this, we have squared all the terms on both sides. So what we're going to do is now we're going to find the actual value of this. So square root of 2 squared is equal to 2, which is raised to the power of 1. I'm writing the power of 1 because I want to use the power 1. That's why I'm indicating it. But whether you write a number without a power, it is taken that it is raised to the power of 1. Okay, then I'm also going to square 2 raised to the power of x. So I'm going to write 2. Then I'm going to multiply the powers. So 2 multiplied by x, or x multiplied by 2, will give us 2x. Okay, so now after squaring both terms, we have come up with 2 raised to the power of 1, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x. Okay, once I've done this, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going now to focus on the powers. That means I'm going to ignore the bases. Now, the reason I'm ignoring the bases because the base in the first term and the second term are the same. So there is no need even me to worry about it because the bases are the same. Unless if the bases were different, I would have converted the other base into the other base so that they can be of the same bases. Now, since they have the same basis, now what I will do is I will just focus on the powers. So what I will do now, here we have got 2 raised to the power of 1, so I'm going to write 1 here, which is equal to, now equal to the power, which is 2x. Okay, here I've ignored the powers, the bases, sorry, so I'm just focusing on the index and on the exponents. Okay, so I'm just focusing on the indices. So 1 is equal to 2x, those are indices, those are the exponents. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Why? Because I want to remain with x on the one side of the equal sign. Okay, so divide by 2 and divide by 2 this side. Okay, now when we look at 1 divide by 2, it will either give us a decimal number, which is 0.5, but I want to maintain the answer to be a fraction, so I'm going to rewrite the fraction, which is 1 over 2. Okay, now when I divide 2x divide by 2, that means I'm cancelling 2 on top and 2 down. Okay, once I've done that, then I'm remaining with x, so which means 1 over 2 is equal to x. So the value of x in that expression is 1 over 2. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comments, or you can also check another video where I used another method to find that value. Okay, let's go to question 22b.